These are the InnoGear 6-pack of the solar spotlights. The company sent these to me so I could check them out. These look like really great outdoor solar lights. This is one right here. You could see it's got the solar panel on here. The solar panel measures about 5.7 inches by 3.5 inches, and then the stake here is about 7 inches. So you could see the footprint here. This is going to go into the ground very good. It's going to be plenty of room here. It's going to shove into the ground where it's not going to move. You have this area right here that's going to move the area of the light up and down, and then you have the solar panel that's going to move. You could position it so it stays in the sun as well. That's adjusted right here. On the back right here, you have the 3 settings: low, off, and high. So you just click it once for low, then off, and then high. And then this light here, the low, the company is saying that you get 6 hours on the low and then 12 hours on the high. So this way it's going to stay on for 6 or 12 hours based on the low or high setting here. They also give you these screws here if you want to remove the stick, and then just you could see here there's 3 screws here, or holes where you could screw it into the wall and you can mount it, so this way you don't have to use the ground stick. But you get 6 of these inside here. You can see they package them up really nicely. It's all styrofoam packed. The stakes are on top of it. It's got cardboard in here to separate it, so they did a really high quality job packing these up. But 2 different modes, low and high, 6 or 12 hours of use. And again, the solar panel on the back right here, you could see it's just a really nice light. So InnoGear made some really great stuff. I'll be doing a follow-up review once I get these installed. I have a few large trees I'm going to be placing them by, and I'm going to try and get a video completed at night to show you how they look with the lights on. And again, InnoGear solar light 6-pack, really cool product here.